Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get started wholesaling real estate. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get started wholesaling real estate, right? That's a very common question. And we get this all the time, right? How to get started real estate wholesaling. Another way to word it, same thing, right? What do we do? All right. Wholesaling real estate is actually very basic. It's very simple, and everybody wants to overcomplicate it. All right. So stick around to the end of this video, and I'm going to give you guys access to my free wholesaling real estate course. So first and foremost, what you need to learn about wholesaling real estate is you're not really in the real estate investing business. And that may become as a shocker to a lot of people, right? They may be thinking, what do you mean? This is not a real estate investing business. It's real estate wholesaling. Well, yes and no. Wholesaling is really a marketing business. That's really what wholesaling is. It's a marketing business. So real estate, houses, land, whatever, is the product that's being bought and sold, right? But the business is actually marketing. So hang with me and I will explain. So you have probably heard people say, you can flip houses with little to no money. And in fact, they're not wrong. In fact, we've done this, my partner Mike and I, we've done this, maybe 500 times. All right, literally flipped a house with none of our own money. All right, but it's difficult to do that without a motivated seller, somebody that's willing to give you a discount on a property. Right? Because in order to do that, there's a process. So what you need to learn is to wholesale property, it all starts with marketing and marketing to find motivated sellers. And these motivated sellers are looking to sell, and they're looking for you to come in as the investor, the real estate investor or the wholesaler, and solve problems for them. And you solve problems for them by basically offering them convenience. You say, I don't need to do a bunch of inspections. I can pay cash. And guess what? We can close really quick, like in 2 or 3 weeks. But in exchange for those conveniences, you are going to demand a discount. Okay? So in order to get somebody to give you a discount, they have to be motivated, right? Last year, we bought about 100 houses in our business. The year before, about the same. And only like 3 or 4, maybe 5 of those 100 houses were listed on the MLS. The other 95% or more, 95+%, we found these leads by marketing directly to homeowners, directly to sellers. And we even market specifically to those who we presume, are going to be motivated or have some reason to give us a discount. So we're going to specifically target people that have had recent divorces or deaths, or there's disease, or there's foreclosure, or there's tax liens, or code violations. Could be a number of reasons, a lot of reasons that somebody would be motivated to sell. So how do you get started in real estate wholesaling? Number one, change the whole idea and mindset that it's a real estate investing business, because it's not. It's actually a marketing business. Number two, learn various ways to market directly to homeowners and directly to people that we would presume would have motivation and or be a motivated seller. Now, if you head on over to my free course, I told you I was going to make you wait, but you don't have to wait. If you head on over to my free wholesale course, freewholesalecourse.com, we actually teach how to get started in a course. And it's a couple hours long, it's free, and it'll teach you how to start, how to work through the entire process, and how to close a deal. In fact, we've had probably close to 20,000 people take the course, and tons of people go get a deal just from taking that course. So if you want to know how to get started, I would personally start with taking the course and learning all the steps. But the big picture is to first think, okay, this is a marketing business. I need to get really good at marketing. Yes, real estate is going to be what we're going to be buying and selling. It's the product. The business is marketing. Then I would learn a couple different ways to market. Personally, we do cold calling, we do cold texting. We love driving for dollars. We love pulling lists. We love sending direct mail. We love Google AdWords and pay-per-click and online social media marketing to find leads. In fact, there's other ways like radio and billboard and so many different ways, networking, right? So we're going to teach all this in the free course, and these are some of the ways to market. So pick one, right? Pick two and get really good at it. Basically start doing it. Start reaching out to these particular sellers or homeowners or distressed property owners and letting them know that, hey, you're interested in buying the property or buying a house, okay? And from there, we're going to use paperwork called contracts. And we're going to use this paperwork to go secure the property, right? So we're going to basically put the property under contract, and now we're going to have control. And guys, here's the coolest part about wholesaling real estate. Can you flip houses with little to none of your own money? Well, yes, absolutely you can do that. But you got to have a motivated seller in order to do that, right? And the catch there is it's going to cost time and or money in marketing, or time, which is both, right, to find these people. But once you find these people, this is the beautiful thing about wholesaling. You can use a contract to gain control and secure your interest in buying it, but not even have to buy it. Instead, you can take that contract and you can sell that paperwork. You can literally sell the paperwork to another investor. And you can do so via double close or an assignment agreement. And depending on where you live and, a couple little scenarios or circumstances, you don't even need to use your own money, right? It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. So how to get started? Again, I repeat, get on over to freewholesalecourse.com and learn the basic steps. Know this is a marketing business. Pick a couple marketing channels. Start with one or two and get really good at those. And then you can do more. And really the coolest part about this business is you can automate parts of it. All of it, really. And once you get a marketing channel going and you start getting good at marketing and generating leads, you can hire a virtual assistant or even a local assistant to help do that for you. And then you can then work on another channel. And all the time you're going to be talking to these sellers and making appointments to go view houses and make offers and so on and so forth. Then you're going to use that paperwork so you can flip that deal with none of your own money, hopefully, right? And then you go to the title company and you get closed. But to get started, focus on the marketing. I cannot stress this enough. Focus on the marketing and know that wholesaling real estate is a marketing business. So if you want to get started, you need to understand that and start to learn some of these methods that we are using to market to sellers, guys. It's very basic. The course is going to break it down in detail from the hip: cold calling, cold texting, driving for dollars, direct mail, bandit signs, a couple other things. I don't want to overwhelm you in this video with all the different ways, but there's literally probably 100 different ways to market to find motivated sellers. In fact, one of my favorite ways, and it's a free way, is networking. Go post on your social media channels, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, whatever, that you are looking to buy houses. Don't keep your business a secret. My friend and partner Mike always tells me that. Don't keep your business a secret, and I love it because it's so true. If nobody knows what you do or what your intentions are, in this case it's to buy a property, how are they going to get you that? How are they going to know, right? And by posting online and networking and telling everybody I know that I'm an investor and I'm looking to buy houses and I'll close fast and I'll pay cash, what ends up happening? People's grandmas go into nursing homes and they need to sell and they call me. And a friend of this guy is doing something and he calls me. And all of a sudden, just because I'm telling everybody that I'm looking to buy houses, the phone starts ringing. So the easiest way is to tell everybody. Don't keep your business a secret. Post on socials. And guys, don't forget, head on over to freewholesalecourse.com and take a course for free and learn step by step how to get started in wholesaling real estate. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for me and drop a comment and let me know how you got started wholesaling real estate. and what you're doing in terms of marketing. I'm always super curious. Thanks for watching. Signing off.